Namaste everyone, welcome to this 21 days yoga challenge. I along with my colleague Kishan Lekwer welcome you and highest gratitude to you for joining this challenge. Let's get started. Okay, so अब हम इस तरह बैठ जाएंगे. This is called दंडासना. So इसमें आपकी बॉडी बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट होनी चाहिए. आपके जो टोज हैं वो बिल्कुल एक्टिव होने चाहिए. आपकी बॉडी बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट, स्पाइन स्ट्रेट, कॉलर बोन लिफ्टेड अप. आप अपने दोनों हाथों को हिप्स के साथ में लगा दीजिए और अपनी स्पाइन को थोड़ा ऊपर खींचिए ताकि आपकी स्पाइन पूरी एल शेप में सीधी हो जाए. और यहाँ पे आप लंबी 5 सांसें लीजिए. इनहेल ओम 1, ओम 2, ओम 3, ओम 4, ओम 5 एंड रिलीज. सो आपने इनहेलेशन एंड एक्सहेलेशन करना है. सो मैं हर पोस्चर में वील काउंट 5. नाउ यहाँ से हम एंकल रोटेशन करेंगे. सो यहाँ पे एक्सहेल एंड स्लोली स्टार्ट रोटेटिंग योर एंकल्स. Start rotating your ankles. We'll do it for 5 rounds clockwise and 5 rounds anti-clockwise. अपनी breath को normal रखिए. Very good. So 5 rounds done. Now the anti-clockwise. Keep breathing at the same time. Phenomenal breath. 3, 4, 5 and relax. Now change. अब यहीं से we're going to hug our right knee. We're going to hug our right knee. Make sure आपकी spine straight है, collarbone lifted up है, आपका left toe active है. और यहाँ से now your right leg, your right knee goes straight, toes pointing up and exhale down. Once again we'll do it for 5 rounds. Inhale. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale down. Last time. Inhale. Exhale down. Now from here we'll do the knee rotation for the 5 rounds clockwise and 5 rounds anti-clockwise. Making sure you're breathing throughout. याद रखिएगा, इट इज़ नॉट योगा अगर आप ब्रीद नहीं कर रहे हैं, अगर आप सांस साथ के साथ नहीं ले रहे हैं. आपको किसी भी मूवमेंट पे सांस नहीं रोकना. जब अगर ऐसा होगा, आई विल गिव यू कमांड्स. वेरी गुड. फ्रॉम हियर नाउ 5 राउंड्स ऑफ एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. वी हैव डन 5 राउंड्स क्लॉकवाइज. नाउ वी आर डूइंग 5 राउंड्स ऑफ एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. सांस लेते रहिए एज आई कीप सेइंग दिस. 1 more round and relax. Thank you so much. Now we'll do this with the left now. So hugging your left knee and once again making sure your right toes are active. Spine is straight, collarbone is lifted up. Now inhale, exhale down. Inhale, exhale down. Third time, up and down. Up and down. Now last time, up, down. Now from here once again the knee rotations. 5 rounds clockwise, 5 rounds anti-clockwise. Good. Keep breathing. Good. Very good. This goes the 5th round. Now the anti-clockwise. Once again making sure they are slow and complete movements. आपको एक बड़ा से बड़ा जीरो बनाना है यहाँ पे. Very good. This goes our 4th round, 5th and relax. Take a deep breath. Breathe. यहीं से आप बैठे रहिए, सांस लीजिए, लंबी सांस. फिर से दंडासना कीजिए. Engaging your core, engaging your thighs, toes are active. Deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. One more deep breath. Inhale. Exhale completely. From here we'll go to our second movement. Now up facing towards the camera. Now we'll do the butterfly. So butterfly में आपका एक मुट्ठी जितना डिफरेंस होना चाहिए आपके पैरों और ग्रोइन मसल्स में। इनको आप पीछे लेके आइए, पीछे लेके आइए। मेक श्योर स्पाइन इज स्ट्रेटर, योर कॉलरबोन इज लिफ्टेड अप, you catch hold of your toes here. From here you start doing these movements up and down, up and down, and keep breathing at the same time. The phenomenal breath. Breathe, breathe. Two more deep breaths. Breathe. One more deep breath. Breathe and release. Very good. Change. Now from here we'll sit in a Sukhasana. Simple chaunkdi ko baithe hue we call it as Sukhasana. Now from here our left hand go towards the right knee. Our right hand goes back. Make sure your spine is straighter. You're looking up and above your shoulders. You twist and you take a deep breath 5 times. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, inhale, exhale, one last inhale, exhale completely. Very good. And now from here we'll do the same thing on the opposite side 5 times. So your right hand go towards the left knee, your left hand goes back. Make sure your spine is up. आप उंगलियों को उठा भी सकते हैं so that your spine goes more and more up. You're looking up and above your shoulder. And let's start breathing. Om 1, Om 2, third round, Om 3, Om 4. Try to twist more and more here. Om 5 and release, 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 release. Take a deep breath. Now change from here. Let's go to the Malasana. So from here, the Malasana mein make sure your spine is straighter. Your spine is straighter. Collarbone is lifted up. आप अपनी knees को अंदर कीजिए और knees से अपनी elbows को अंदर कीजिए और knees को push कीजिए. Knees को push कीजिए. Try and open up your hips here. From here, join your palms together in Namaskar to your heart chakra. And यहाँ पे let's take a 5 deep breaths here. Inhale, exhale. Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5 and release, release, release. यहाँ से फिर से आके एक बार चौकड़ी में बैठ जाइए, चौकड़ी में बैठ जाइए. Now we'll do the neck rotations here. Neck rotation. From here आपके दोनों हाथ आपकी knees पे रहेंगे. From here inhale your start rotating your neck here. Start rotating your neck in a slow and a complete movement here. अपनी आंखों को खुला ही रखें ताकि आपको वर्टिगो, आपको चक्कर ना आए. सांस नॉर्मल रखिए. याद रखिए, मैं फिर दोहरा रहा हूँ, ये योगा नहीं है if you're not breathing. The movement has to be synced with your breath throughout. Very good. So this goes our 4th round. Good. Last time. 5th. Now the anti-clockwise. We have done the clockwise movements. Now we're doing the anti-clockwise movements. Once again, we'll do it for the 5 times. Keep breathing. Good. One last time. And release, release, release. Now change. So now we'll go for our last movement or last asana. It is called child's pose. So from here, we call this as a Shashank asana, rabbit pose or a child's pose. यहाँ पे कोशिश कीजिए आपके हील बटक्स पे टच करें. अपनी बॉडी को इतना पीछे लेके जाइए और अपने सिर आपका अगर जमीन पे लगता है ठीक है, नहीं तो anyways it's all fine. So take a 5 deep breaths here. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, 4, 5, and release. And slowly come up, slowly come up. So आइए अब आगे बढ़ते हैं हमारे डे 8 के पड़ाव में. From here now we're gonna sit in a Dandasana first. From a Dandasana we'll lie down on our backs. We lie down on our backs to do single leg raising and double leg raising. So यहाँ से Dandasana में आप बैठते हुए धीरे से फिर आप लेट जाएंगे अपनी बैक पे. Good. So from here tuck your t-shirts if required. Tuck your t-shirts if required. And we're going to prepare ourselves to do single leg raising and double leg raising. So from here आपके दोनों हाथ पीछे चले जाएंगे बिल्कुल सीधा to engage the core little more, जो आज की थीम है. So from here inhale your right leg up, exhale down, left leg up, exhale down, right up and down, left up and 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 down, and relax. Take a deep breath. Getting in Shavasana, just to take a deep breath to move on to our second, which is double leg raising. Inhale, exhale completely. Now interlock your fingers behind your head. Once again, join your feet together. We'll get ready for double leg raising now. So inhale your both legs up, exhale down. Don't touch your feet on the ground here. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. We're going to do this for 5 times. Inhale up, exhale down. Now last time, inhale up and hold here. Hold your legs in a 90-degree first for 5 deep breaths here. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, 60 degrees now. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, लंबी गहरी सांसें. Om 4, Om 5, 45 degrees now. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, 2 inches above the ground. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, and down. Dhire se and relax. Being in a Shavasana, take a few deep breaths in and out. Inhale, exhale completely. Now your both arms once again interlock and behind the head. जैसे हमने पहले किया था बिल्कुल वैसे ही. अब हम यहाँ से अपनी राइट एल्बो को लेफ्ट नी पे टच करेंगे और अपनी लेफ्ट एल्बो को राइट नी पे टच करेंगे. So from here, so now right to left, left to right, 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 right to left, left to right. Last time right to left and hold it. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, 4, 5. Switch and hold here. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, 4, 5, and relax. Shavasana, take a few deep breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale completely. Joining your feet together, hands behind your neck, interlocking your fingers, giving a nice stretch to your body, lengthening up your spine, extending your toes, extending your arms, and stretch, stretch, stretch. Big exhalation from the mouth. And now push to the right side and slowly come up. Push to the right side, slowly come up. Now we're gonna sit in Dandasana. अब आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now we do L sit hips up and down and legs up and down. किस तरह? तो आपको ब्लॉक की आवश्यकता होगी यहाँ पर. So use the blocks on both the side, on the right and the left side. दोनों को अपनी साइड्स पे रखिए. सबसे पहले अब यहाँ पर हम अपने हिप्स को उठा के रखेंगे. हिप्स अप एंड डाउन करेंगे and then we gonna hold. एक्चुअल पॉस्चर तो ये है कि हमें अपने हाथों का इस्तेमाल करते हुए लेग्स को भी सीधा रखना है, हिप्स को भी आप. बट वी यूज द ब्लॉक, वी डू लिटिल मॉडिफाइड वे. सो यहाँ से दोनों हाथ आपके ब्रिक्स पे. टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ. सो फ्रॉम हियर इनहेल योर हिप्स अप एंड डाउन. अप, inhalation up, exhalation down. Inhalation up, exhalation down. Inhalation up, exhalation down. Inhalation up, exhalation down. Now inhale up and hold here. Om 1, लंबी गहरी सांसें, spine straight. Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, धीरे से नीचे आइए and relax. Very good. अब दोनों ब्लॉक्स को नीचे रख लीजिए just for a better balancing. Now from here we'll do the opposite. अब हम अपनी legs को up and down करेंगे. So यहाँ पे, so right leg up and down, left up and down, right up and down, left up and down, right up and down, left up and down. तकरीबन 5 बार करने के बाद now we're gonna do both legs up and down together. So up, down, up, down. Don't touch your feet on the ground. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Last time, up and hold here. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, and release. Take a deep breath. जो आपकी इस समय थाइज में आपको जो फील हो रहा है, which is engaging to your core here, फील कीजिए, महसूस कीजिए. Take a deep breath here. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale completely. अब आप दोनों बिग को पीछे रखिए, underneath the shoulders. So now अब हम करेंगे पूर्वोत्तासना, जिसमें आपको अपने पैर जो है फ्लैट करने हैं, सोल्स अपने फ्लैट करने हैं और हिप्स को उठाना है. सो टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ. इनहेल, एक्सहेल, टोज पॉइंटिंग डाउन, चेस्ट लिफ्टिंग अप. नाउ इनहेल एंड होल्ड हियर, हेड पॉइंटिंग बैक. ओम 1, ओम 2, हिप्स को उठाइए. ओम 3, ओम 4, Om 5 and release. धीरे से नीचे आइए. Take a deep breath here. Inhale, bricks को साइड पे रख दीजिए. Exhale, inhale, exhale. Both feet को इकट्ठे join कीजिए. Now exhale your toes out. Inhale in, just the toes out, in, out, in, out, in. Now rotation of your ankle joints here. इस समय जो तनाव आपके आया है थाइस पे, जो कुछ आया है उसको हम रिलीज कर रहे हैं इस रोटेशन के थ्रू. One more deep breath. Now the anti-clockwise. So 5 rounds clockwise, 5 rounds anti-clockwise. Good. And release. यहाँ से अब हम अगले posture के लिए ready हो जाएंगे, which is called boat pose, lokasana, navasana, which is a core killer here. इसमें जो core engagement होगा, you'll see now your tailbone needs to be stronger. Your tailbone needs to be stronger. So आप initially अपनी knees को bend कर लीजिए, अपनी knees को bend कर लीजिए, tailbone पे आ जाइए, tailbone पे आ जाइए, सारा body weight अब tailbone पे रख के balance कीजिए, अपनी legs को up किया आपने, आपकी arms सीधा गए parallel to each other. From here यहाँ से धीरे से अपनी legs को भी सीधा कीजिए and look towards your toes. Your drishti needs to be on your toes. From here, stay here for 5 deep breaths here. Collarbone lifted up. Om 1. Om 2. Om 3. लंबी गहरी सांसें. Om 4. Om 5. धीरे से जिस तरह हम गए थे उस तरह ही हम वापस. Very good. Knees को hug कीजिए towards your chest here. Rest your head on your knees here. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Completely. Okay. So यहाँ से now we're gonna do a full plank and a lower plank. So पहले full plank में. So once again, palms underneath the shoulders. Palms underneath the shoulders. पीछे से legs बिल्कुल tuck कीजिए. Toes को tuck कीजिए. From here, get to the plank here. So feet together, if possible, your shoulders and wrists in the one line. You're looking forward and staying here for a 5 to 10 deep breaths here. Om 1. Om 2. Om 3. Om 4. Om 5. Let's do 5 more. Om 6. Om 7. Om 8. Om 9. Om 10. Now to the lower plank here. Last thing for today. So once again, on all the body weight on the forearms, tucking your toes, looking forward. Om 1. Om 2. Om 3. Om 4. Om 5. 5 more. Om 1. Om 2. Om 3. Om 4. Om 5. धीरे से अपनी नीज के लिए आइए. Child's pose में जाइए. Legs को wide कीजिए. Body in between your knees. An adapted child's pose to arms extension. Inhale. Exhale. Completely. From here, slowly get up. Slowly get up. And sit in a Sukhasana. In a cross-leg position. Sitting in a Sukhasana. And just take a few deep breaths. आइए अब हम अपने आखिरी दौर की तरफ अग्रसर होते हैं. So इसमें we'll do Kapal Bharti and Shavasana. Exhale completely. Now inhale deeply and begin. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and exhale completely. Take a few deep breaths in and out. Slow down your heartbeat, slow down your palpitations. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale completely. अब आप यहीं से अपनी आंखों को बंद रखते हुए slowly stretch your legs out and go for a shavasana here. So without making too much of a noise, without keeping your eyes open, slowly roll back to shavasana. In shavasana, your feet apart, your palms at 45-degree angle. All your body weight towards the ground, especially your lower back towards the ground. And now हम यहाँ पे हम 5 गिनती करेंगे उल्टी from 5 to 0. Inhalation and exhalation, your abdomen and chest lifts up. You mentally count 5. It goes down, you count 5. Inhalation up 4, down 4. Up 3, down 3, up 2, down 2, up 1, down 1, up 0, down 0, and relax. Now from here, slowly join your feet together. Arms behind your neck, interlocking your fingers, giving a nice stretch to your body, lengthening up your spine, extending your toes, extending your arms, and stretch, 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 stretch. Big exhalation from out. From here, go towards the right side and slowly come up and sit up. Sit up. Joining your palms together in Namaskar. Bow to the Mother Earth, to the universe. Shanti. 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 Slowly eyes open. Thank you so much.